Hey everyone, Miss Brianna here, hoping to give you a quick video tutorial on how to access the portal of our My Music Staff software. This is where we keep your contact information and your calendar and your invoice status. So go to cambridgesuzuki.com, first step, scroll down to where you see My Music Staff Portal login for current students. This is on the footer of every page, and you'll log in with your email address and password. You can request a new password, and if you've never done this before, you can shoot me an email, and I will send you a login access email. When you log in, it'll take you to your landing page. It looks something like this. You can see, you can log your practice, you can see your attendance, which your teacher has taken, and you can see your upcoming events. In My Studio, you can also see your lesson notes from the past lesson, and which copy from week to week, and so I just make little tweaks. If you go to the left, you can see, drop this pop-out menu and go to Calendar, and it automatically opens to the lesson month. But you can also scroll through here because we're going to be changing our schedule in the fall. You can see where the fall semester outline begins. So if you click here, you can see who's teaching you and what location and who's invited. So Elliot's private lesson is staying the same, but his group class is changing to a later time and probably at a different location. You can see who else is in his group class and what level it is. Okay. From here, from this calendar page, you can set up the sync to sync this calendar to your preferred device. If any changes are made within 24 hours, it might not sync properly right away. Doesn't do it really quick, so just go with whatever your teacher has told you or come and log into the portal to confirm. Okay. Also, in this menu on the left, you can access our contact info, your accounts and invoices, your attendance, lending library hasn't been used yet, and online resources. This is where, in the studio space, you'll find our bingos. It's also where, in My Studio, you'll find some other resources. You can do a practice challenge and log your time here. You can find the repertoire you're assigned right now. If you go to the top right where you see your name, you can click on Profile Settings and you can update your address and you can get SMS reminders so that you'll remember, you'll never miss a lesson again. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.